Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, December 4th, 2020. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We have Fun Fact Friday, and so today's fun fact is about Christmas lights. They were invented in 1882 by Edward Johnson. So, fun fact for the Friday. And we have a funny on the Friday. So, question, what kind of photos do elves take? Any guesses? They take elfies. All right, that's our Friday fun fact and our Friday funny. Today for breakfast, we have pancakes and sausage on a stick. For lunch, we got pizza and tater wedges. On Monday, breakfast is going to be chicken patty on a biscuit, and lunch is going to be Crispito. Our birthdays for today are Julian Davis, Dalen Warren, Mahogany Lyons, and Landon Quivers. Happy birthday! We still have our Stuff the Bus toy drive going on. We are collecting new unwrapped toys for our Stuff the Bus toy drive. Please send a new toy to the library by December 7th. If you send in your toy, you will get to wear your favorite Christmas shirt and jeans on Friday, December 11th. So Friday, December 4th is today. That is our growth monitoring is due. We still have some folks that need to take diagnostic as well, so we are going to be readying our little hearts out today. Next Tuesday is going to be our actual Stuff the Bus pickup. Wednesday, December 9th is an important day. We have grade level meetings during extended PE, and we have the school spelling bee. So exciting things going on that day. Friday, December 11th, we have students and staff who donate a toy. We'll get to wear jeans and a Christmas shirt. And on Friday, December 18th, every teacher's favorite, we have Feel Good Friday. Couple of announcements for student book requests from the library. Students may not request new books until the other books have been turned in. If you have books from the spring, please get those turned in as soon as possible. Students need to be checking out books on their reading level, not way below. Also, after reading the book, students should be taking an AR test on it. Make sure your students are taking those AR tests. If you have any questions about AR or need some help with that, see Miss Smith, and she will be happy to help you. We are going to begin an AR campaign in the near future. We cannot wait to see which class is going to be our top readers. We have a shout out to Miss Lankford and Miss Barnes today by Ella Grace Veazey. Ella Veazey wants to give a shout out to Miss Lankford because she helps her so much with her writing abilities, and a shout out to Miss Barnes because she is always so nice and giving to her. So shout out to Miss Lankford and Miss Barnes for being awesome. Thanks Ella Veazey for submitting their names. I also have a shout out to Jennifer Yulin Sanchez. Awesome. And she was recognized by Miss Moore. She said she would like to give a shout out to Jennifer Yulin Sanchez because she is always on task and doing what is expected of her inside and outside the classroom. She has great leadership skills, and that she does. All right. Way to go, Jennifer. Way to be an awesome student. Shout out to you. That is all for today's news, and I hope you have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.